Okay, you guys, this is what I'm going to do here. Is all this red that you see right there on the back of that Tour Pak, on the fenders, and that little red piece down there below the license plate, I'm changing them all out. This light right here, I don't know, I just don't like the red, so I'm going to change it out. I got one from Shop Utah Harley off the internet. They got me a smoke one, I got it in. And these lights right here are going to be replaced with custom dynamics, both of them. And I also got the trunk relocator kit that I'll be having here, should be here Monday. I'm going to slide this trunk back just probably about 2 inches. You can move it 1 to 3. I'm probably going to set it about 2 inches. That'll give my wife a little bit more room, more comfortable back there without feeling so cramped. But anyways, this is what I'm replacing tail lights with, is the ProBeam LEDs from Custom Dynamics. And let's see here. Yeah, this one right here, this is the Magic Strobe modulator for the Tour Pak. And I got another one. Get it out of there. Anyways, there's another one in that sack right there that's for the bottom lights there. Run, brake, turn signal. So I'm going to have the magic strobes on all my lights now, so that's a good thing. But I was going to do a how-to video, but there's so many of them on there on YouTube that I'm just going to take everything off, install it, and when I get done, I'll show you guys what we've done. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. Later. Okay, lights are all changed out. Josh, you want to turn them on? Alright, hit the brakes. There you go. Strobing good. Alright, turn signal. Left signal. Left signal. There you go. Turn that music down, would you? Alright. Now just hit the brakes again. There you go. She's a flashy beast now. Okay, good job. Alright, now you can just, there you go. My Tour Pak lights got changed. And custom dynamics are on the fender for the LEDs. Everything looks good and bright as heck. Thanks for watching. Later.